Hello everyone. Today you'll see how you can use a dual beam laser engraver to mark logos, text, QR codes, and serial numbers on different materials. We'll walk through the full workflow, from file import to engraving results, step by step.
First, you prepare your logo file on the computer and save it to a USB drive. This allows you to transfer designs quickly and securely to the laser engraver without needing a direct computer connection. Next, power on the dual beam laser engraver. The system boots up smoothly and is ready for file import within seconds. Insert the USB drive into the machine and import the logo into the engraver software. Here, you can easily browse, select, and load your design file. Once the file is loaded, you position the logo on the workspace. This step helps you control exact placement, ensuring accurate and repeatable marking. Now, adjust the logo size directly in the software. Next, select the fill pattern. Different fill styles affect contrast, depth, and visual appearance, allowing you to optimize results for each material. After setting the logo, you can sequentially add text, a QR code, and a serial number. This makes the system ideal for traceability, product identification, and batch management. The serial number entered now is automatically changeable. Let's start with a wood template. After selecting the wood preset, we start the engraving process. You can see clean edges, consistent depth, and clear contrast, perfect for branding and decorative applications. Next, we switch to a PVC template. By selecting the appropriate material settings, you achieve smooth engraving without burning or deformation. The serial number has changed from 124 to 125. Now we move on to stainless steel. The dual beam laser delivers precise, permanent marks suitable for industrial identification and long-term traceability. Here is the engraving result on aluminum sheets. You get sharp detail, uniform marking, and excellent readability, ideal for nameplates and industrial parts. Finally, we engrave on cardboard boxes. This ink-free process produces clean date codes and logos without consumables, making it perfect for packaging lines. After completing the engraving work, you can shut down the machine.
You can use one dual beam laser system to mark multiple materials with flexibility and precision. If you want to test your own designs or materials, contact HeatSign for a free sample test and application review.